Hi guys, Ben here. So today we're gonna review two very important GoPro accessories. One is the GoPro case, and then the other one is the GoPro pole. So you can use this as an additional grip when you're underwater so you won't lose your device. Although GoPros are already waterproof, there are a lot of instances where the current can be super strong and you might hit like corals underwater, so it will scratch your case. So as you can see here, there's so many scratches already. Hopefully it's visible on your end. Before I bought these two accessories, I was just planning to just change the case because there's so many scratches already. But unfortunately, because of the rust over here, I couldn't remove this. As you can see, if I twist it, this thing is moving, but the screw is already stuck. So I tried breaking this with a hammer. So that's the reason why it looks so bad. So apologies on this one. So I just decided to like buy again like the case and then the pole. So I really want to order the same thing because for me it's just easier to grip. There's also like a safety thingy where you put it in your hand, and then whenever you accidentally remove your hand while you are swimming, there's like a safety feature where you won't lose your GoPro underwater. And then what I love about this is you can shoot a nearby shot, and then you can also use it for like selfie. It's 4 layers, so you can see here. So you can use it very comfortably underwater, and then at the same time you can extend the pole. So that's the reason why I want to order the same pole and then the same case, because this has been battle tested already. So if you check my Instagram, I've used this already in Coron, in my travels in Bantayan, Cebu, and then so many times in Puerto Galera. And aside from the scratches and then the rust, it performed very well. Okay, so maybe let's start with the case first. So when you unbox this one, actually I already unboxed it. This is the device. And then you can open it using this one. And then you just put your GoPro inside. There's a rubber here for additional waterproofing. And then you just close it really tight. And then see that the rubbers are intact. And then close. There you go. So as you can see here, it's tight fit. Although it mentions that it's good for 10 and 9, it's also perfect for GoPro 11 Hero Black. So this is what I'm using. And then let's remove this one already. Okay, so since that's done. And then the other one is the Go Easy Pole Mini. And then I already unboxed the pole. And then it comes with this screw, the one I tried to break earlier. So it's very simple to install. You just put it here, right? The dedicated accessory mount. Oops, make sure that it's aligned. There you go. It's aligned already. Then try to screw. It's very simple. Then make sure that it's super tight. You don't want to lose your GoPro underwater. It has to be very tight, and then there you go. Good as new. So compared to my old one, it looks very, very ugly. Although this one is still functional, I'll probably use this as a backup. So let's say, for example, my new one got damaged while I'm using it. At least I'm just gonna carry this one as a backup. Or maybe I'll just buy a second camera and then I use it as a backup also, just in case something happens with my main one. Okay, and then pretty much the same. You just twist and then try to expand, right? It's very long. You can use it as a selfie stick, and then the additional safety thingy. So when you accidentally remove your hand, maybe when you're swimming or you panicked underwater due to the very strong current, so at least that's a nice to have. And then just close, collapse, and then there you go for underwater. By the way, the only difference between the old version and the new version, which I really like, is this one. This is the old one. It has a really thin thread, whereas this one, they're just using its cord. It's way thicker than the version 1, I guess. So that's it, guys. I hope that this video is useful, especially for people who like to shoot underwater videos. This is a good starter. It's cheap at the same time it's functional. I mean, I've been using this for roughly 6 months already. So let's see if this one would stay also for the next 6 months. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram also if you wanna see my underwater shots. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.
Never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life.